Ever feel like life is too busy to create? What if I told you that just 5 minutes, it's all you need to reconnect with your photography and your creativity? Bonjour! Welcome to your home for your creativity and your well-being. Today, we are slowing down together for a moment of mindful photography. If you love taking photos but feel like you never have time, I got 5 simple tips you can do in just 5 minutes with your camera, your phone, or even just with your eyes. So grab your device if you get one, set a timer, and let's begin. Tips number 1, use your phone intentionally. You don't need a fancy camera to practice at all. Take your phone and focus on composition. Frame your shot, notice details, experiment with light. This tiny habit keeps your eye sharp and your creativity flowing, even when life is busy. Tips number 2, focus on the light, not the gear. Look for interesting light, the way it falls on a cup of tea, a window frame, or a shadow on the wall. Light transforms the ordinary into something magical. You can practice this anywhere and anytime. No gear needed, just literally your attention. Tips number 3, choose one object, explore many angles. Pick a single subject nearby, a book, a plant, a coffee mug, and explore it from multiple perspectives. Close, far. You'll notice detail you often overlook, and each angle tells a slightly different story. Tips number 4, take photos without taking photos. Sometimes you don't even need a camera or even a phone. Pause. Take a slow breath in and exhale. Frame the shot in your mind. Imagine the click, or softly say click out loud if you want to. Notice light, colors, shapes, texture. This really keeps your eyes and your mind attentive. And tips number 5, reflect instead of critique. At the end of your 5 minutes, just take a moment to reflect what felt good rather than what went wrong or what you didn't get the chance to do. Notice the moments that made you pause, smile, or feel inspired. Reflection is really just as important as the practice itself. It really helps your creativity grow without pressure. It's really like in yoga. I teach yoga, and the last pose in a class is usually the Shavasana, when we are all laid down on the floor. It's the most important part of the practice, truly, and it's where you just integrate everything you've just done from a body and mind perspective. And that's it. 5 simple ways to practice photography even when life gets busy. So set a timer, try these tips, and let yourself reconnect really with your creativity, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. Subscribe to my channel for more weekly inspiration for your creativity and your well-being. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. I would love to see if it was useful, and otherwise I'll see you in the next one.